Good afternoon, students. So we're going to continue with Unit 10, Shopping Smart. So we're talking about shopping experiences, and here we have a discussion exercise, and we have read about 2 shopping experiences. Do you think either of the people got a good deal? Use the vocabulary. So let's read the 2 experiences and let's find out. We have, I was in Saudi Arabia on business and I wanted to buy a rug. I found a beautiful one, but the asking price was too high, $900. I said I could go as high $350. We bargained for a long time, but the merchant wouldn't come down in price. Finally, we shook hands. When I turned to leave the store, he was very surprised. I thought the handshake meant sorry. That was too low, but it really meant it's a deal. So I went back in and bought it. So in here, what I see here in this story, that's why you have to know certain things. Yeah. So the merchant thought that he accepted the price, and the buyer wanted to leave. So in here, things were not properly done. So something happened. At the end, he had to buy the rug. So maybe he got a bad deal because he didn't have that much money. He paid too much money. Maybe if the rug was so beautiful, it was not a ripoff. He paid too much money. That would be the vocabulary that we're going to use here. And he got a bad deal because he didn't expect to buy that. Let's see. The lady. When I was in Shanghai, I decided to look for some antique pottery. I found a beautiful blue and white vase from the 16th century Ming dynasty. We bargained about the price, and the salesperson came away down for me. So, of course, I bought it. It was more than I wanted to spend, but I really liked it. Later, a friend told me that the antiques in these shops aren't really antiques. They were actually new. Okay, this was what I think it happened here. She got a bad deal. She paid a lot of money, and it was a ripoff because it was not an antique. It was a new pottery. That happened to her. So that's why you have to research, and you have to if you have to know your budget, how much are you going to spend, the way you're going to bargain, the way you have to also made an investigation. What are you going to buy? Everything. So it helps. Okay, so here we have shopping experiences, and we're going to stop here. And we're stopping here on Unit 10. You top notch. Thank you very much.